Welcome to the Flipgrid tree video. So this shouldn't take you too long. It's more of a practical application of the scale factor that we talked about on our class, and there's a video kind of helping you out with it as well. So this is all about similar triangles. So remember, a similar triangle is when I have two triangles that share two angles. So that's why this works so well, because if I draw a line down here, they share this angle and they both have 90 degrees. So that's the principle behind what we're doing. So I want you to ideally find a tree or a post or something like that. Now, if you don't want to videotape yourself outside, you can go take the measurements and then do what I'm about to do here. So as we have a tree, the tree height is going to be our unknown. So that's going to be our x, or P, or whatever you want to call it. Now, because the sun is going to be at the same angle when you do this, this angle at the bottom is going to be the same. So we have a tree shadow, okay, and we have the sun. Okay, that's what causes the shadow. Now, your shadow, you could either put yourself in here, right? Or you could just do another one like this, where you have your height and you have your shadow length, like so. Okay, so from here to there, that's going to be your shadow length. From here to here, the tree to the end is going to be that shadow length. Now, a couple of tricks. If you're having trouble measuring the height of the tree to the shadow, go and put a pine cone at the end. Same thing here. Find a stick or a pine cone, mark where you are, then step away and just measure that distance. Okay, so the math looks like this. I'm going to give you a quick review. I'm going to go new over original. You could be the new, the tree could be the new, I don't care. The first one you're going to measure is the one that you know. So that's the length, shadow length. Let me use a smaller pen because that'll look nice. So this is the shadow length, right? So let's say that's A and this is B. I'm going to make me the new. The tree is going to be the original. So it's going to be A over B equals, well, I'm the new. I know my height. So the next one is going to be the height, like so. So that's going to be, let's call that T. Looks more like an X. So this is going to be new. It's going to be T over X. Here you could also put me over the tree, like so. So new over original is just the way we set up our ratio. Do the math, figure it out, and then estimate how tall the tree or the lamppost is, or whatever you are. I'm going to do something really weird here. Zip this up. Whoop, like so. This is where I live. I've got all kinds of things out there that I could measure. Beautiful shadows right now. So do what you want, make it work. Whoa! There we are. Other than that, have fun and post it so I can see it, and I'll give you a comment. Thanks. Last thing is that if you don't, as I said, if you don't want to shoot a video, you could also just draw this out like so, show me the distance, and send a picture of it, and we can go from there. All right. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.